Tonight, there are reports of tension and turmoil inside the U.S. Attorney's Office here in Los Angeles. Much of it has to do with the ICE raids and the Trump administration's push to file severe charges against people who protested the immigration sweeps.
KCAL political reporter Tom Wade is here now with more on this story.
And good evening to you, Pat and Rudabeh. Well, according to Bloomberg Law, they say that Essayli, the U.S. attorney, is ignoring the advice of veteran prosecutors. He's prioritizing cases based on MAGA social media and is pushing attorneys to charge when evidence is weak. Well, the allies for Bill Essayli say this is bogus. When the military-style immigration raids began in downtown L.A. back at the beginning of June, President Trump had already tapped his outspoken ally, Republican State Assemblyman Bill Essayli, to lead the U.S. Attorney's Office in L.A. Essayli defended the operations and attacked local Democrats.
We're doing our job. We're enforcing the law. The elected officials have been extremely irresponsible and basically declaring open season on the federal government and the agents.
Now 120 days into his appointment, and Bloomberg Law reports Essayli is facing a revolt among dozens of veteran prosecutors who accuse him of politicizing the office and ignoring long-standing and strict rules that determine if prosecutors can file charges against people. Bloomberg reports Essayli at one point shouted, "F the Justice Manual" at a team of attorneys in a courthouse, displeased with their work on an immigration protester case. Bloomberg reports because of internal tensions, 80 attorneys have left the U.S. Attorney's Office in L.A. this year, 1/3 of all the legal staff.
People are leaving who, according to one of our sources, people are leaving who said they would spend their whole careers at the office.
According to Bloomberg's reporting, Essayli is prioritizing cases popular with the MAGA base, pushing for charges even after being warned the cases are weak. An example, the prosecution of Alejandro Oriana, who was accused of aiding and abetting a civil disorder for providing face shields to protesters. Today, we learned those charges are now being dropped.
As the Oriana incident was gaining a lot of attention on social media, Essayli basically told his office that they needed to be prioritizing that case. He received advice from senior supervisors in the office who told him that they didn't see a charge, and Essayli overruled them.
In another case, the arrest of 20-year-old Adrian Martinez, a U.S. citizen and Walmart employee accused of assaulting an immigration officer, charges he's fiercely denied. Bloomberg reports that when an FBI agent told Essayli video of the incident did not support charges, Essayli sought out another agent to sign off.
Essayli told them, if you can't find one, then I'll find an agent myself.
The assault charges against Martinez were later dropped. A recent report from the LA Times found grand juries have indicted only 1 in 5 cases represented by federal prosecutors. A veteran member of the prosecutor's office told us it is extremely rare for a grand jury to return a no-bill decision. That's legal speak for refusing to indict someone. Still, Essayli maintains public support from Attorney General Pam Bondi, who recently posted, "My friend U.S. Attorney Bill Essayli is a champion for law and order who has done superlative work to prosecute rioters for attacking and obstructing law enforcement in Los Angeles." The U.S. Attorney's Office told us no comment when we asked about the Bloomberg report. A spokesman told Bloomberg, though, that the allegations in their report are based on inaccurate, misleading information and gossip, not facts. Pat?
Thanks so much for that.